Hello everyone. Welcome to the PassFab channel. Screen time lock on iPhones is a time management feature. It helps you maintain discipline and regulate the amount of time you spend on certain distracting apps like social media or games. If you need to continue using an application after the screen time has expired, but you've completely forgotten the screen time passcode, maybe because you set it up a long time ago and have not changed it in a long time, you don't have to worry. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset or remove screen time passcode on your iPhone, and also show you what to do in the case that you do not have this option for forgot screen time passcode. Let's begin with the first method, which is to reset the screen time passcode in device settings. Go to Settings, locate Screen Time, and then scroll down to where you see Change Screen Time Passcode or Turn Off Screen Time Passcode. In some cases, you might not see this option of Forgot Passcode at first. There are two ways to make it appear. Select the other option from these two, or enter the wrong passcode 3 times for this option to appear. Select it and confirm that you want to change screen time passcode. You'll be required to log in with your Apple ID credentials, and when you've provided both username and password, click on Done, and then you will be able to create a new screen time passcode. Enter the new digits, verify the digits, and you have successfully reset the screen time passcode. You can now head back to the application and enter the new screen time passcode to unlock and keep using the app for more time. The second method is to use a professional software called PassFab iPhone Unlock Software. This software can be used to solve many problems you may encounter while using your iPhone. Download and install the software using the link in the video description below. Launch it, and you'll see this interface. You're going to use this software to remove the screen lock passcode on your iPhone. There's something important to take note of. If Find My iPhone is turned on in device settings, you would need to select this option, Unlock iOS Screen. But if Find My iPhone is turned off, then click on Remove Screen Time Passcode. Connect your iPhone to the computer, and then allow your iPhone access to the computer by providing your phone password or Face ID if you're prompted to do so. As soon as the device is connected, head back to your computer and select Start to Remove, and then the software would begin to remove the passcode. You will see this message displayed on the screen after successful removal, and your iPhone will shut down automatically and restore. After 5 to 8 seconds, the phone would turn on again and the passcode has been removed. You can now head back to the application, and as you can see, the screen time limit has been removed, and I can continue using it. Now, in the case that you selected the Unlock iOS Screen option, follow the on-screen instructions to put your iPhone into recovery mode. Please note that you have to back up your device data, because this method is going to completely wipe out the device and you can set it up as a new device. Later on, you restore your data, and it's that easy. If this guide helped you, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech solutions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.